Okay, hi. So Sayed Joheb San Imaska.
Hai Mas,
Hi. Azmina San Imaska.
Hi, Miss.
Hi. Surat San Imaska.
Imaska,
Imaska.
Imaska.
Yes, please say hi, Imas.
Hi, Imas.
Yes. Okay, Sujata San Imaska. Imasen. Prithviraj San Imaska.
Hi, Imas.
Hi. Siddharth San Imaska.
Hi, Ima Sensei.
Hi. Dhruba San Imaska. No. Subhash San Imaska.
Hi, Imas. Hi, Imas.
Subhasan, you said Imas earlier also, right?
Subhash Sengupta, hi, Imas.
Hi, hi, hi. But I think Surat San is not present, right? Surat San? Imaska? I can't see Surat San. So Surat is not present. Okay. All right. So, yeah. Kiran San Imaska? Kiran San. Imasen? Hashita San.
Imas.
Imas. Okay. Ankita San.
Hi, Imas.
Hi. Bhupali San. Bhupali San. Riki San. Riki San. Sushant San. Sushant San. Anuvrata San. Anuvrata San. Priyadarshini San.
Hi, Imas.
Hi. Rishikesh San. Rishikesh. Okay. Durlab San. Durlab or Durlov? Durlov. No? Okay. Madhurya San. Madhurya San. Anandi San.
Hi, Imat Sensei.
Hi. Rajdeep San. Rajdeep San. Hi. Rinku
Imas,
San.
madam.
Okay. Rinku San. Rinku San. Nancy San. Nancy San.
Hi,
Rinku San.
Imas.
Nancy San desu ka?
Imas.
Okay.
Imas.
Hi, hi. Okay. Madhurja San. Madhurja San. Pushpanjali San. Pushpanjali San. Chinmoy San.
Imas.
Pushpanjali San imasu ka? Okay. Chinmoy San. Shibani San.
Hi, Imas Sensei.
Hi. Nilakshi San.
Hi, Imas.
Hi. Saurav San.
Hi, Imas.
Hi. Bhaswati San. Bhaswati San. Jyoti San.
Hi, Mas.
Hi. Chiranjit San. Chiranjit San. Amarjyoti San. Amarjyoti San. Bhairav San. Bhairav
Hi,
San.
Imas.
Bhairav San, imasu ka?
Imas.
Bhairav San, you there?
Hi, Imas.
Okay. Dhruba Jyoti San.
Hi, Imas Sensei.
Okay. Minerva San. Minerva San. Imasen. Swarup San. Swarup San.
Hi, Imas.
Imasu ka? Chandrali San.
Hi, Imas.
Hi. Rajkumari San.
Hi, Mas.
Okay. Lok Bikash San. Lok Bikash San. Tanmoy San.
Hi, Imas.
Okay. Kishant San. Kishanta Das-san, Rajeshri-san, Rajeshri-san, Ima-sen? Okay. Okay. じゃあ、授業始めます。皆さん、授業始めます。Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am.
hi, hi.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hi.
Just a moment. Hmm. Okay, so, okay, let us quickly review what we covered in the last class. So, we learned some classroom expressions, right? So, hi, minasan. So, when you want to ask the meaning of a word, what do you say?
Te do yumi desu ka?
Desu yo.
Teteduyumi desu ka?
Okay, te do you ini desu ka?
Desu ka?
Desu ka?
Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, te do you imi desu ka? Then eigo de whatever.
Classroom desu.
Yes.
Dasun desu.
Kyoshitsu te do you imi desu ka, right? We studied kyoshitsu te do you imi desu ka? And eigo de classroom desu yo, okay? Yes. So, like this. Okay. Hi. All right. Okay, so minasan, what would you say when you have understood something?
Wakarimashita.
Wakarimashita.
Understood.
Wakarimashita.
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 Wakarimashita, exactly. Wakarimashita. Correct. Okay. And what would you say when you've not understood anything?
Wakarimasen.
Wakarimasen.
Wakarimasen, exactly. Wakarimasen. Hi. Okay. And when you want the teacher or someone to repeat something, what would you say?
Mochido onegaishimasu.
Mochido onegaishimasu.
Yes, exactly. Moichido onegaishimasu. Okay. And when you want your teacher to speak slowly,
Moushukoshi
Kudasai.
Musukoshi yukuri itte kudasai.
Ite kudasai.
Musukoshi yukuri itte kudasai. Correct. This name. All right. And what would you say when you want to excuse yourself briefly?
Chotto
Choto shitsureshimasu. This name. Okay. And what would you say when you are late for the meeting or class?
Sumimasen
okurimasu.
Exactly. Sumimasen okuremasu. Okay. Okay. And you want to take a day off then?
Yasumimasu. Yasumimasu.
Exactly. Good. Very good. Okay. And what else did we study last time?
Dozo Yoroshiko.
Hajimemashite and dozo yoroshiku.
Hajimemashite, dozo
And
yoroshiku.
dozo yoroshiku.
Okay. So when you meet someone for the first time, you say
Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite. And how would you say your name?
Watashi wa
Watashi wa?
dash-san. Watashi wa dash-san.
Desu.
Okay. Okay. And then when you want to ask the name of someone, like the other person's name,
Namewa.
Namaeva, right? Ano o Namaeva. Right. Okay. Then after that,
One des.
yes. Then
One.
when you confirm,
Deska. San deska.
Deska or Desne?
Desne.
Desne. Okay,
And after
desne.
that,
Dozo Yoroshiku.
Dozo yoroshiku. Okay. Okay. So I would like someone to practice in pair, like I mean two people in someone. Joib-san, will you?
Sure.
Okay, Joib-san and who else? Priyadarshini-san?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So can we say without looking at the script?
Try.
Let's try.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Who is the who is the other one?
Priyadarshini-san.
Oh, okay. Hajimemashite.
Yeah, tell your name also. Hajimemashite and
Hajimemashite.
Watari. Forgot the word.
Watashi.
Watashimasu.
Watashiwa.
Can you remember? Can you repeat, please? Once.
Watashiwa, I am.
Watashiwa. Yeah, Watashiwa. Hajimemashite. Watashiwa Johab desu.
then you ask her name.
Yeah. Ano oname wa?
One desu.
One desu ne? Dozo yoroshiku.
One? Are you one? Priyadarshini-san, you are Priyadarshini, right?
Priyadarshini.
Please say your name. Okay, once again.
No, you have to say
Joib-san,
Priyadarshini. One
let's do
name.
once again.
Yeah. Hajimemashite.
Hmm.
Watashima Johab desu.
Hmm.
Ano oname wa?
Yeah.
One Priyadarshini desu.
One
Sorry?
name. It's not one. It's Priyadarshini desu.
Oh, Priyadarshini desu.
Sandesh.
Yes, please tell your real name, okay?
One is the other name.
Okay.
Priyadarshini Sandesh.
Priyadarshini desu.
Priyadarshini desu ka? Priyadarshini desu ne? Dojo yoroshiku.
Dozo yoroshiku.
Those are Yoroshiku. Okay. Okay, one more pair.
Okay, I can.
Yes, please tell your name.
Shivani.
Okay.
Hajimemashite Shivani desu.
Okay, Sibani. Sibani-san and okay, who will practice with Sibani?
I will pair with Nilakshi.
Nilakshi, okay, go ahead.
Hajimemashite Shivani desu.
Hajimemashite, Nilakshi desu. Oh, Dojo yoroshiku.
Let her ask your name.
Okay, again. Can I repeat again?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hajimemashite Shivani desu. Ano onai wa?
Hajimemashite, Nilakshi desu. Dojo yoroshiku.
Nilakshi desu ne. Dozo yoroshiku.
Okay,いいですね. Okay, and we learned something else also, you remember?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Dochirakara.
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 Okay, Shivani-san, ask her.
Again, little bit
Shivani-san,
difficult.
okuni wa dochirakara desu ka?
Hi, I forgot.
Means, from which country do you belong, ma'am? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, little bit I find difficult.
Okay.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
How to say India?
Indu desu.
Indu desu.
Indu desu.
Indo des. Okay. Then the second question would be where in India, right?
Okay.
So how can we ask where in India? Where from in India? Indo no dochirakara, right?
Indu dochirakara.
Indo no dochirakara.
Desu ka?
Guwahati desu ka? Guwahati desu.
Guwahati des. Hi. Okay. So now Nilakshi-san, ask her if she can speak Assamese.
Assamese.
Assamese Go.
Shivani Sadwa. Assamese Dekimaska.
Assamese go, I think.
Assamese Go.
Actually, it should be Assam go, right? Name of the
Yes.
place and go is used as
Yes.
suffix, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
Assam go, dekimasu ka, Nilakshi-san once
Dekimasu ka?
again.
Dekimaska.
Assam go.
Deki.
No,
Dekimasu
sorry, ma'am.
Dekimasu.
Shivani-san, Assam go Dekimasu ka?
Hey, Dekimasu.
Okay. I desu ne. All right. Okay. Now, mm, okay. Okay, now let's start the next topic. Okay. Yes. So is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. All right. So, minasan, can you see pictures? There are many pictures here,
Yes.
right? Okay. So let us read one by one. What is written? So, what is written in A? Please read.
Kyochi. Kyochi.
Kyochi.
Yoshi.
Kyoshi.
Yoshi.
Gakushi. Right?
Gakushi.
Gakushi.
Okay. B is, please read B. B yonde kudasai.
Gakushi.
Gakuse.
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 Gakse. Gakse.
Gakuse.
Gakse.
Yes, gakse. Okay, please read C. C yonde kudasai.
Homoin.
Homuin.
Homoin.
Komoin.
Komuin.
Right? Once again.
Homoin.
Komuin.
Komoin. Komoin.
Homoin.
All right. Next D. Please read D.
Saishai.
Shufu.
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 Yes, Shufu.
Shufu.
Shufu, right? Shufu.
Shufu.
Okay. All right. Please read E. E yonde kudasai.
Kaisha.
Kaishan.
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 Aishan.
Kaishain.
Kaishain. So this name,
Kaishain.
Kaisha. Kaishain.
Kaishan.
Kaishain. Okay. F yonde kudasai.
Engineer.
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 Okay. Okay, minasan, now listen to the audio file and try to catch the meaning of these words. Try to guess the meaning of these words. So, yes, I'm playing the CD.
3. お仕事は ?1、聞きましょう。1、お仕事は私は主婦です。2、お仕事はエンジニアです。3、お仕事は何ですか？公務員です。4、お仕事は会社員です。コンピューターの会社です。5、お仕事は何ですか？教師です。日本語の教師です。6、お仕事は何ですか？私は学生です。
Okay, minasan, can you guess what they are talking about?
About
Their
the
profession.
Yes.
About your profession, yes.
Very good. About the profession. Okay. So can you guess from the picture, like from A, like the picture, can you guess the meaning of
Yoshi's
Yoshi?
teacher.
Yoshi's teacher is a student.
Gakushi is a student.
Gakushi is a student.
It's not Gakushi, it's Gakuse.
Gakse. Gakse is a
Gakuse.
student.
Gakuse means student Exactly. Okay. Kyoshi, teacher. Gakse, student. Okay. What about C?
Civil servant.
Civil servant.
Civil
C.
servant. Okay. Government employee. Okay.
Government employee.
Okay.
Yeah. Government employee.
Government employee.
Okay. What about D?
Cleaning staff.
Cleaning staff.
Housewife.
Okay. Housewife or cleaning staff?
Cleaner. Cleaning.
Cleaner.
Cleaner.
Cleaning staff.
Janitor.
Cleaner.
So in
Shufu.
Japan, they don't hire like, maid servants, right? Yeah, because of the high cost of labor, they do cleaning, cooking on their own. So shufu,
Wife.
Wife.
yes, housewife,
Oh,
right?
sorry.
Housewife.
Yeah,
Housewife.
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 Yeah. Okay. Okay, what about E?
Is
Call center.
Office
Call
employee.
center.
corporate office
Corporate employee.
or
Or a
company
call center.
employee.
Customer
Yes,
service.
Computer engineer.
Customer service.
Okay, company official. So any person who is working in a private company, okay, kaisha. Okay, because kaisha means company and in means employee. So kaisha in company employee. Okay, anybody who works for a private company. Okay, what about F?
Engineer.
Engineer.
Engineer. Exactly. Engineer. Exactly. All right. Okay. Now listen to the audio files again and please write the answers. So, number one, let us listen number one once again.
1、お仕事は私は主婦です。
What did she say?
Housewife.
Housewife.
I am a housewife.
Watashi wa shufu desu, right?
Yes.
Watashi wa shufu desu. So D is the answer. So D is written already. Okay. So likewise, let's listen to all the parts and write the answer. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Next part.
3、お仕事は ?1、聞きましょう。
Oh, sorry. Once again.
2、お仕事はエンジニアです。
Please mute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself, everyone. Yeah, thank you. All right, I'm playing second part again.
5、安倍さんは
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm playing once again from the beginning.
3、お仕事は ?1、聞きましょう。1、お仕事は私は主婦です。2、お仕事はエンジニアです。3、お仕事は何ですか？公務員です。4、お仕事は会社員です。コンピューターの会社です。5、お仕事は何ですか？教師です。日本語の教師です。6、お仕事は何ですか？ は私は学生です。
Yes, could you write the answers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so number 1, Oshigoto wa?
D.
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 Shufu desu.
Shufu desu. Exactly, shufu desu. All right. Number 2,
Engineer desu.
Engineer desu.
Yes.
engineer desu. Yes. Number 3,
Kumin
Komin
desu.
Komin
Kuin
desu.
desu. Exactly. Number 4,
Kumin desu.
Number
Kaishan
4,
desu.
Aishan desu.
Aishan
Kaishan
desu.
Kaishain desu. Exactly. Number 5,
Kaishan desu. Kyoshi desu.
Yokoshi desu.
Yoshi desu.
Kyoshi. Exactly. Number
Kyoshi
6,
desu.
Gakse
Gakshi
desu.
desu.
Gakse desu. Gakse desu. Exactly. Okay. All right. Now I'll play the CD once again, and this time please repeat. Please repeat after the CD.
1、お仕事は
Yes, please.
お仕事は
私は主婦です。
私は主婦です。
主婦です。
2、お仕事はエンジニアです。
Engineer desu.
Engineer desu.
Oshigoto wa engineer desu. Engineer desu.
3、お仕事は何ですか
お仕事は何ですか？
何ですか？
公務員です。
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 お仕事は何ですか？
4、お仕事は会社員です。
会社員
コンピューターの会社です。
会社員です。
Computer no kaishain desu.
コンピューターの会社員です。
コンピューターの会社員です。
5、お仕事は何ですか？教師で。
よし。
Yes. Oshigoto wa nan desu ka?
お仕事は何ですか？
And then
よしです
Kyoshi desu. Right?
よしです
Kyoshi desu.
日本語講師。
Nihongo no kyoshi desu. Right?
日本語の
日本語のよ
教
しで。
師ですす。
Can you guess the meaning of Nihongo no kyoshi desu?
Japanese.
Yes,
Japanese
yes.
teacher.
I'm a Japanese language teacher. Exactly. Very good.
日本語
Wonderful.
教師です。
Yeah. Okay, then the last part.
6、お仕事は何ですか？私は学生です。
私は学生です。
私は学生です。
Gakusei desu, right?
Gakusei desu.
Gakusei.
Ma'am, what is Oshigoto? Why is
Yes,
nan
now
desu
can you
ka?
guess
Like,
the meaning
What's
of
your job?
What
What's
is
your
your job?
job?
What's your job?
What is your job?
Do you do?
Yeah, what's
What
your
is your
job? What do you do? What's your profession, occupation? So shigoto means profession or occupation, work. All right.
nan desu ka?
Nan desu ka? Nan desu ka means what is.
What is okay?
Profession, what is, right?
Hmm.
What is your profession?
What is your profession? Or what do you do? Right. Okay. Now let's read this conversation in pair. So, who would like to read?
Oshigoto.
お仕事は
Would you like to?
お仕事は
Oshigoto wa.
Let's practice in pair, right? Okay. So, Jyoti-san, would you like to
Ma'am,
practice?
me with?
Sorry?
With whom am I to talk to, speak to?
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
like,
Ankita-san?
okay.
Hi, Sensei.
Okay.
An-
All right, Jyoti-san.
okay. Ankita-san.
No, just read whatever is written. Just read. Oshigoto wa.
Oshigoto. Just read it.
Yeah, just read it.
Oshigoto wa. Ankita-san.
Engineer desu.
Watashi.
So desu ka?
Oh, so desu ka? Watashi wa gakushi desu.
Oh, shufu desu, right?
Shufu desu.
Okay, I have to read this exactly. Okay.
Yeah, please read this conversation.
Okay. Watashi wa shufu desu.
Okay. So, do you understand the meaning of this conversation?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, minasan, do you know how to say your profession, how to tell your profession in Japanese?
Oshigoto wa nan desu ka?
Engineer.
Engineer desu ka?
Easiest.
Okay.
Engineer desu.
Good.
Komuin desu.
Komoin desu? Okay, Joe, let's practice. Joheb-san and we'll practice with Joheb-san.
Yeah, sure.
I can do it.
Please tell your name, because if you say I can do it, it's difficult. I mean,
Watashi wa Siddharth desu.
sorry?
Watashi wa Siddharth desu. I'm Siddharth Vikram Fukan.
Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Hi,
please
Sensei.
go ahead. Okay, please go ahead. Okay, please start.
Siddharth-san. Okay. You're going ahead?
Yeah, wait, I'm at a wedding actually, so sometimes the audio rises.
Okay, you go ahead first.
Okay. Oshigoto wa?
Engineer desu.
So desu ka? Watashi wa shufu desu. I mean, that's not possible, but okay.
No. What do you do, Siddharth-san? Oshigoto wa?
You're not shufu for sure.
Komuin desu.
Please tell your profession now. Okay. Komo in this. Wonderful. Komo in this. Okay. So one more pair.
Ma'am, I'll do Rajkumari Nemika.
Yes, please go ahead.
With
Ma'am, can I do?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Oshigoto wa
Gakusei desu.
so desu ka? Watashi wa banker desu.
Just a moment. Who is practicing? Pradarshini-san and
Nemika, Rajkumari.
Nimika-san?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Priyadarshini-san, please start the conversation.
Oshigoto wa
Banker desu.
Sorry?
Banker.
Banker. Okay. So, how to say banker in Japanese? It's Ginko-in. Okay. I'll just write in the chat box. It's Ginko-in. Ginko-in.
So, bank. And the bank is Ginkgo?
Yeah. Correct. Okay, once again, Priyadarshini-san. Moichido.
Oshigoto wa
Ginko-in desu.
so desu ka? Watashi wa gankei desu.
Priyadarshini-san wa gakusei desu ka?
Gakusei desu.
Gakusei desu. All right. Good. Okay. Yes. All right. Now let's do the next page. Okay. So, minasan, again, there are pictures.
Yes.
So, what are these pictures of? Can you guess?
Name of a person.
Find the person's name on each.
Visiting
Letters.
cards.
Like business card.
Business
Visiting
card
cards,
or
ma'am. Visiting cards.
it's a visiting card.
cards.
Visiting card, Sensei.
Yes, exactly. Visiting cards or business cards, right? So you
Yes.
must have seen many business cards. So what information is usually written on them?
Their
Name,
profession
designation,
and
company name,
profession,
company name, position
company name,
phone
contact
number,
number,
address,
mail ID.
email ID.
Right. Okay, now
Name,
let's
address,
see
and
one by one.
contact
There are
details.
4 business cards. So numbers are written 1, then 2 in the right hand side, then 3 below, and number 4. So number 1, Minasan, whose business card is this?
Takeda
Takeda
Hitoshi.
Yes, Takeda Hitoshi. Good, very good. So which one is the family name and which one is the first name? Can you guess?
Takeda is the
Hitoshi.
family name.
Hitoshi.
Takeda
It's a family name.
Takeda is the
Hitoshi is the
family
first
name
name.
and Hitoshi
Yes.
is first name.
The
Okay.
given name.
Japanese people write their family name first and then their first name. All right. What about card number 2?
Marketing. Business card.
Masako.
Yeah.
Masako.
Masako
Ochiai.
Masako Ochiai, right?
Masako Ochiai.
Masako Ochiai. Okay. Is it a male name or female name?
Female name.
Female.
Okay.
Don't
How
know.
do you know?
Male. No idea.
No idea. Can't.
It's a male name.
Okay.
Male
So
name.
Masako is first name or family name?
Family
Masako is
name.
the family name.
Family name?
So
No,
it
now
must.
it is written in English, right? So when they write in English, they write like follow our system. They write first name first and then family name. So Masako is her first name. Okay. So co-ending names are usually female names. So Masako is female.
Oh, what?
All right.
Can you please repeat that?
Ma'am,
So
can you
Masako,
repeat?
ko is there, na?
Yeah.
In the end. So co-ending names are female names.
Okay. Everything with ko is female name. Okay.
Not necessarily, but
Mostly.
there are many names ending in ko. So Hanako, Masako, Hiroko. So co-ending names are female names.
So, ma'am, this Masako is what? First name or family name?
First name, first name.
And in case of Takeda, the first
No,
card.
Takeda's business card is like Japanese business card, right?
This is also Japanese.
No, yeah, this is also. But somehow she has written her first name, I mean, like first name first and then family name. But when they write in Japanese, it's reverse.
That's what?
So in
So
Japanese, like the upper, like the 4 kanji characters, can you see the like, vertically written 4 kanji characters? So the first 2 kanji letters are Ochiai, and the last 2 are read as Masako.
Oh.
Okay. But somehow in English she has written, her first name first and then family name, followed by family name. Okay, so card number 3.
Instructor Yamada
Instructor.
Yuzo.
Yamada Yuzo.
Yamada Yuzo. Exactly. Okay. And number 4?
Number 4.
Sekiguchi now. Now Sekiguchi. Now Sekiguchi.
Yeah, Sekiguchi now.
Sekiguchi now.
Okay.
Ma'am, why Sensei, why Sekiguchi is written in capitals?
Capitals
know, maybe
means
it's-
bold letters.
Yeah, in bold letters, maybe because it's family name or something. I also don't know. Okay.
So one question. So
Yes.
how do we address them with the first name or family
No,
name?
family name.
In
Family name.
Okay. Always? Mostly?
Like if you're not so close, it's like in formal settings, always address them using their family name. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ochiai and Takeda, Yamada, and
Okay, so as you can see, there are 2 type of business cards, right?
Yeah.
So one is
vertical and horizontal.
vertical and
Landscape and
horizontal.
portrait model.
Exactly. Okay. All right. So I'll share a video with you later on. So please watch that video and you'll come to understand how do they exchange their business cards. Okay. So what are the etiquettes they follow? Right. Okay. Okay. Now something is written below. Can we read?
Hajimemashite
Kimo desu. Dozo yoroshiku.
Dozo Namaste, Nada.
Hajimemashite noda desu.
Hajimemashite noda desu. Dozo
Nice to meet
yoroshiku.
you.
Namaste. Sato.
Sato to
Tomoshimasu.
Dozo
yoroshiku.
onegaishimasu.
Hajimemashite Sato to Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Okay, so hajime mashite kimu desu, dozo yoroshiku. Hajime mashite noda desu, dozo yoroshiku. So I hope you understand the meaning of these
Yes, ma'am.
sentences.
Yes.
Hi, Sensei.
Right?
Hi.
First one, maybe Hajimemashite. The boy is saying something to the girl.
Hajime mashite you already know, right?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
First time introduction.
Hello for the first time. Hello for the
Yes.
first time.
Right. Okay, then kimu desu.
His name is Kimo.
His
Name.
name is Kim. My name is
Yeah.
Kim.
My name is Kimo.
Yes. And then dozo yoroshiku.
Nice to
Meet you.
Yes. Yes.
What is
Okay. And yeah. And similarly, hajime mashite noda desu, dozo yoroshiku. Right? Okay. Now something is written
Yes.
below in the note. Please read it.
Hajimemashite
Sato to
Moshimasu.
Mushimasu.
Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Moshi may be saying, call me on the phone now.
So hajime mashite sato to moshimasu. Okay, to moshimasu instead of this. So can you guess the difference between this to moshimasu?
Hajimemashite Satoso to Masusu.
Sato to Moshimasu.
Moshimasu.
Satoto Moshimasu.
No, this to is different. Okay.
Satoto Moshimasu. Dozo yoroshiku.
Dozo yoroshiku
Onegaishimasu.
Dozo yoroshiku
Onegaishimasu.
onegaishimasu.
Nice to meet you once again.
No.
It's just more.
Can you tell again?
Okay, so to moshimasu, actually the meaning is same. Hajime mashite sato desu. Sato to moshimasu. Meaning is same. Okay. So, but when you say to moshimasu, it becomes more polite and formal and humble also. Okay. So tomoshimasu is used in formal settings. And this is neutral. This is used in everyday situations. All right. And dozo yoroshiku is also fine, but dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu, when you add onegaishimasu, it becomes more polite. So again, more formal and used in formal settings.
Can you say it in English, please? Just
Sorry?
Can you just explain?
in English. Hajime mashite sato tomoshimasu.
No, hajime mashite you already know. Hajime mashite is a greeting used when you meet someone for the first time, right?
Yes.
Hajime mashite. Then sato this. So far we have learned this, right?
Correct.
Sato this.
Correct.
It means I am sato. Sato to moshimasu also means I am sato.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, okay. But when you say to moshimasu, it becomes more polite, formal, and humble.
I am sato is also tomoshimasu, like kimo desu, no sato
Yes,
desu. Okay.
yes. Joheb this, joheb to moshimasu. Meaning is same.
Joheb des and Tomoshimasu same. Des and Tomoshimasu same mean same.
Ma'am, is it a name?
Sato is a name.
Name.
Sato is a name, family name.
Okay, fine.
So basically, we've got three ways of saying who I am. Like Watashi wa, whatever, the name. Then
Watashi wa-
Kimo desu. And Kimo to moshimasu. Three ways.
No, not three ways, two
No,
ways
no,
only,
but,
no?
Huh? No, like we.
So watashi wa,
I am.
watashi wa jyoti desu, or jyoti desu also we can say, no?
Okay,
Instead of without saying watashi, watashi.
I am jyoti.
Right. Yeah. So watashi wa jyoti desu is a full sentence, complete sentence.
Oh, watashi wa jyoti desu.
Formal.
Formal.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And
Okay. And you can simply say Jyoti this without using Watashi
Vatashiva.
word.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And the second way is saying tomoshimasu. So Jyoti to moshimasu.
Oh.
Okay. And for the second part, dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. What is this? What is
Again, when you add onegaishimasu to dozo yoroshiku, it becomes more polite.
Okay.
okay? Nice to meet you. It's politeness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
But in previous class, it was moichido onegaishimasu is like one more time. It's totally
It
different.
was moichido onegaishimasu. Now it's dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Okay.
So when you say onegaishimasu, the phrase or the expression or the dialogue becomes more polite.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Right?
And say, what's the exact word for repeat?
Moichido.
Moichido. So if I say mo ichido kudasai, does it
No,
also
no, it
mean
doesn't mean anything.
repeat?
Kudasai. Moichido onegaishimasu.
Some places they use kudasai for please.
Kudasai, yeah, for please, like when you want something, for example, when you want someone
Action.
to lend you something,
Do something.
yeah, do something, or when you want to say, like, give me one, like, give me what? One glass of water. Okay, or juice maybe. So, juice kudasai, mizu kudasai, like this.
Water, please.
Or while shopping also, you can say, t-shirts kudasai.
Okay.
Right? Okay. All right. Now let's
What
start
is
the
Mishi,
next.
ma'am? Sensei?
Sorry?
Mishi. That
Meishi. Can you guess the meaning of Meishi?
card, is it? Business
Sorry?
card?
Business cards, exactly.
Business card.
Meishi means business cards.
Mishi kudasai, we can say, no?
Yeah,
Give me
yeah, of course, yes.
Mishi kudasai.
Absolutely. Meishi kudasai. It means please give your business
Yeah.
card. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now let's start the next chapter. That is number 4, chapter number 4. The title is Kazoku wa san nen desu. Okay, Kazoku wa Kazoku wa san nen desu. Okay, and the English meaning is given below. Can someone read?
There are 3 people in my family.
So there are 3 people in my
Shan in this.
family.
Ozuku wa san nen desu.
Okay, so number 7 and number 8 are the can-do statements or the goals. So let's read them. Number 7. Yes, Ankita-san, can you read in English? Number 7.
The page is stuck at
Talk
31.
briefly about your family.
Oh,
There are
Yes,
3
talk
people in my
briefly about
family.
your family.
Talk
Yes, number
briefly
7.
about your family. Tell
Yes,
someone
yes.
about your family using a family photo.
Yes, that's number 8. Okay, so in this chapter, we'll learn how to talk about our families. Okay, all right. Okay, so please see the screen. So, what is this picture of?
Family photo.
Family photo.
tree.
Family photo.
It's a family tree.
The left-hand
tree.
side. Yes, yes.
Family
Family
tree.
tree.
Family tree.
Family photo.
Family tree, right? The left-hand side. Okay, so let's read what all is written. Where is Watashi here in the family tree?
Middle.
Who is Watashi?
My family tree.
My family.
Yeah. So this girl, right? This
Lady.
girl wearing
In the
Yes.
middle.
Lady in
Middle
pink.
one.
Pink or red.
Watashi.
Watashi. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So Watashi's family.
Watashi means
My.
Mine.
My
I
family.
or I, my or me, right?
Oh.
Hmm.
Kazaku means family.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so
Kazaku.
Watashi
Okay.
no Kazoku. What would be the meaning of
Kazoku
Watashi no
wa
Kazoku?
sannin desu.
My family.
My
My
family.
family.
My family.
My family.
Watashi no Kazoku. My family.
Kazaku.
Okay, let's listen to the audio files now. So while listening to the audio files, try to guess the meaning of these words, okay, written in the family tree.
第4課、家族は3人です。1、家族は3人です。1、聞いて言いましょう。父です。母です。兄です。姉です。弟です。妹です。私の家族は7人です。
Okay, before that, Minasan, do you remember how to say like counting in Japanese? How to say 1, 2, 3?
Till 5.
5.
Ichi,
Ni.
Ishi ni
San,
san
Yon.
yon go.
Ichi, ni, san, yon,
Yon. Go.
go.
and she
Okay.
also, no, ma'am?
Yes, she and yon. So two words for number 4.
Yeah, for 4.
Yes.
Can
Okay.
she go?
So
Can she
One
go?
she go.
yes. So I'm writing once again. Ichi, ni,
Ichi ni
san.
can she go?
Then
San.
yon or
Yon.
she, then go.
San. Yon. Go.
Okay. What about 6?
Roku.
Yes.
Roku.
Exactly.
Ni.
Roku. Then after Roku,
Nana.
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 Nana or Shichi. Okay.
Or
So again,
Chichi.
2 words for number 7, Nana or Shichi. Okay. Then after Nana,
Hachi.
Hachi.
Hachi. Okay. Then after Hachi,
Ju. Ju.
number 9, how to say 9?
Ju.
No, it's Q, right? Q.
Ju.
Okay. And 10?
10 is Jew.
Exactly. Okay. So Ichi, ni, san, shi,
Yon.
go, roku, nana, hachi, kyuju.
Nana. Hachi.
From
Kyuji.
1 to 10.
Yes.
There is, you said Nana is 7, right?
So Nana and Shichi, 2 words for number 7. And
7.
Yeah.
similarly for number 4, so 2 words are used, yon and she.
Okay.
Yon.
Hachi is 8, right?
Hachi is 8.
Okay.
Ichi ni. San. Yon. Go. Nana. Hachi. Nana.
Ichi,
Hachi.
ni,
Hachi.
san, yon, go, roku.
Roku. Nana. Hachi.
Nana Hachi Kyonshu.
Kyonchu.
Kyocho. Kyoncho.
Go means 5, Sensei.
Yes, 5.
And Nana means
7.
7.
Roku.
I've
6.
written once again. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, yon or she, then go, roku, nana or shichi, then hachi, kyuju.
Kyonshu.
Ichi ni. San. Yon. Go.
Nana
Roku.
Sichi means, Sensei.
Sichi means
7.
So
7.
number
Nana
7.
Sichi 7.
both are
Hachi.
7.
Nana Sichi 7.
So for number 7, sometimes they use nana, sometimes they use shichi. Okay. Both are correct.
Okay. Hachi 8.
Hmm.
For 7, you use either Sichi or Nana Nin.
Shichi.
Shichi or Nana?
No, for 7, you use Sichi and Nana, 2 words. And what is Nin, ma'am? Nin?
Okay, Nin. Is it written somewhere?
It's written in that book, no?
Yeah. I was going to tell. So Nin is the counter or the suffix used for people. Okay. So Nin. So when you say Shichi Nin or Nana Nin, it means 7 people or 7 members.
Oh. Okay. Nin means people.
Yes.
Members mean family
Means
members.
people.
No? Or what?
People.
People.
So when you talk about family, like if you say Shichi Nin, then it would be
People.
members only. No? So, or
Yes, 7.
you say there are 7 people in
people.
my family or 7 members in my family, right? Shichi Nin.
Rokunin, Gonin, Yunin, Hitori, Futari, Sonnin. Hitori.
Okay, wait. We'll do that. Okay, let's listen to the CD again, Minasan, and repeat. Okay.
父です。
Yes, please repeat.
Chi desu.
Ichi desu.
Chichi desu. Okay.
Ichi.
Chichi desu.
父です。
母です。
父です。
Haha des.
Haha desu.
Haha desu.
Aha desu, right?
兄です。
Ani
Yes.
Ani desu.
Ani desu.
Ani desu.
姉です。
Ane desu.
Ani desu.
姉です。
弟です。
Ototo desu.
Ototo desu.
Oto desu.
弟です。妹です。
妹です。
Imoto desu.
Imoto desu.
妹です。
私の家族は7人です。
Watashi no kazoku wa 7人です。
Watashi no kazoku wa
Watashi
Watashi no kazoku wa
7 nin desu.
7人です。
All right.
Watashi no kazoku wa
Watashi no
7 nin desu.
7人です。
7人です。7 people.
Seven people.
Okay, yes, Minasan, chichi desu. Can you guess the meaning? Chichi desu.
Grandfather.
Father.
Grandfather.
Father.
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 Exactly.
Father.
Chichi means
Chichi father.
father. Haha.
Mother.
Mother. Exactly. What about Ani?
Aunt and uncle.
Brother.
Sorry?
Elder
Elder
brother.
brother.
Elder brother. Ani, I
Older
think.
brother. Okay.
Older
Ani
brother.
means
Older brother.
Older brother.
older brother. Ani
Older sister.
Elder sister.
Oh, elder sister.
Elder sister.
Elder sister.
again.
Sister.
Yeah. Okay.
Ani,
Then
Ani.
what about Ototo?
Younger brother.
Younger
Younger sister.
Younger brother and younger sister.
Younger brother. Exactly. And Imoto?
Younger
sister.
Younger sister.
Younger sister. Exactly. Okay. And some more words are written, in the
Yeah.
left hand side of Chichi.
Otto.
Yeah, Otto.
To kodomo. Yeah.
Kodomo.
Otto in the left hand side, then Suma in the right hand side, right?
Suma.
Otto Suma Kodomo.
And Kodomo. Can you
Kodomo.
guess the meaning of these words?
Parents. And then Kodomo, the children.
Kodomo
Father.
children.
Kodomo
Husband, wife.
children.
Husband, wife, and children.
Yes, exactly.
Husband, wife, and children.
Yes. Otto means husband. Suma means
Wife.
Wife.
and Kodomo means
Children.
children. Exactly. Okay. Okay, let's repeat once again.
父です。
Yes, please.
Ichi des.
Ichi desu.
Ichi desu.
母です。
Haha desu.
Ah, this.
Haha desu.
Des.
兄です。
Ani
Ani
desu.
Ani
Ani
desu.
desu.
姉です。
姉
Ane
です。
Ane
desu.
desu.
Ane desu.
弟です。
Ototo
Ototo
desu.
desu.
Ototo desu.
妹です。
妹で
Imoto
す。
Imoto desu.
desu.
私の家族は7人です。
私の
私の家
家族
族
は
は
Watashi
7
no
人
7
kazoku wa
です。
7 nin desu.
Watashi no kazoku wa 7 nin desu.
Watashi no kazoku wa 7 nin desu.
Yes. Okay. Now something written below in the note. Let's read it. Okay. Okay. Let's repeat
Sorry.
after the CD. Okay.
Hitori.
Yes.
Hitori.
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 Tori.
Watari.
Tari.
二人。
Futari.
二人。
Hitori.
二人。
3人。
三人。
Sanin.
4人。
四人。
Yonin.
5人。
五人。
Nin.
6人。
六人。
Kunin.
Rokunin.
7人。
七人。
7人。
7人。7人。
七人。
Nananin.
Nananin.
Nananin. Okay. Hi. So, do you understand the meaning of these words?
4 people, 5 people, 6
Number
people.
of children.
Family members. 3
Family
family
members.
members. 4
People.
family members.
Sanin. 3 people.
3 family members.
Total number of families.
Family members.
Family members.
Okay. So, how to count people? Okay. So, like one person, for one person and for two people. Okay. 2 persons. Special words are there. Okay. Hitori. For one person, the word is hitori. Okay. For two,
一人。
the word is
Futari.
futari. Futari.
That
Okay.
means single and couple. Oh,
Yeah, like one person, hitori, and if there are two, futari. So, okay. Then 3 onwards, like you know the
Sanin.
counting already. You
Sanin.
just have to add nin to the numbers.
五人。
that
Okay,
means
so
you cannot
number
ma'am.
3 is san. Okay, number 3 is san. So
San.
just add nin suffix. Okay, san nin. So it becomes 3 people.
Hmm.
Similarly, yonin mein like yon n is not pronounced. The last n is not pronounced. So
Yonin.
this is the exception. So it is read as pronounced as yonin. Okay,
Yonin.
four people, yonin. Okay, for 5, gonin. For 6, rokunin. For 7, nananin. Shichinin can also be, shichi word can also be used here. Shichinin or nananin. Then for 8, hachinin. For 9, kunin. And for 10, junin.
Junin.
Yonin.
So if there is one person, we cannot say ichinin.
No.
Hitorinin.
So they are special words for 1 and 2.
Okay.
Then ma'am, it is hitorinin or hitorides.
What?
If I say watashi no kazoku wa hitori desu or hitorinin desu.
No, hitori desu. No need to
Hitori
add nin.
Okay.
Watashi no kazoku wa hitori desu. Watashi no kazoku wa futari desu. Watashi no kazoku wa hitori desu is okay. Okay. Then so 3 members sanin. Okay. 4 members yonin and so on. Okay. Now see the next slide. So picture A. So picture A, Minasan, how many people are there?
Sannin.
Sanin.
Sanin. Okay, sanin. Okay. Picture B?
Futari.
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 Futari desu.
Futari,
desu.
exactly. Yes, Futari desu. Okay, C.
Yonin.
Yonin. Yonin desu.
Nin. Yonin desu.
Yonin desu.
Yonin.
Yonin desu, exactly. Okay, what about D?
Gonin
Rokunin
desu.
desu.
Rokunin.
Rokunin.
Gokunin desu.
Rokunin.
Rokunin desu.
Rokunin, yes. Okay, and E?
Gonin.
Gonin
Gonin.
desu.
Gonin desu.
Gonin desu, exactly. Gonin desu. Okay, any doubt?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Now we have to do the second part. So second part is which picture shows the speaker's family. Okay. So picture A. So who is Watashi? So this girl in the left hand side is Watashi, right? Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, B, this man is
This man.
Watashi. Then similarly, C picture, D and E. Okay, so now we have to listen to the CD and write answers. Okay, so which picture shows the speaker's family? So you have to listen to the CD and write the correct number. Okay, so here two pictures are given on the first page and the three pictures on the next page. So it's difficult to see. So I'll share my slide so you can see all of them together. Okay, now I'm playing CD.
1、私の家族は3人です。父と母と私です。
All right, so which picture?
A.
A, right? So A is the answer, right? So similarly, you have to write answers for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next.
私の家族は4人です。私と夫と子供2人です。
Next.
3、私は6人家族です。父と母と兄と姉と弟と私がいます。
Next.
4、私は5人家族です。私と妻と子供3人です。5、私の家族は、はい、いいです。私と妻です。
Hi, could you write answers?
Try to.
No.
I tried to see, I think.
Okay, so yes. So number 2, answer is?
C.
C.
Is it C?
Yes, C. So how many people are there?
4.
Yonin.
Yeah, please.
Yonin.
Yonin.
Yonin this. Okay, Yonin this.
Yonin
Okay,
this.
answer is C. Okay, what about 3?
B.
D.
D. Okay, how many people?
Roku desu. Rokunin desu.
Rokunin this. Yes.
Rokunin desu.
Rokunin this. Okay, what about number 4?
E.
E. So how many people?
Gonin desu.
Gonin this. Yes, Gonin this.
Goodness.
Yes, exactly. Number 5?
B.
B.
Futari.
Futari.
Futari desu.
Futari desu.
Utari this. Utari this. Yes. Okay. All right. Now let's listen again and repeat.
1、私の家族は3人です。
Yes, please.
私の家
私の家族は
家族は
三人
三
です。
人です
私の家族は3人です。
母と私です。
父と
父
母
と
と
母と
私
私です。
私です。
父と
Yes.
母と私です。父と母
Next.
と
1、この人、
Sorry. 40. 48.
私の家族は4人です。
Yes, please.
私
私の家族は
の家族は
家族は
4
4人です。
人です。
私の家族は4人です。
4人です。
私と夫と子供2人です。
夫と子供
私と
私は
子供2人です。
子供です。子供2人です。
私と
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 私と夫と
夫
と
妹
子供
子供
子
2
供
人です。
二人です。
子供2人です。2人です。
子供2人です。Yes, can you guess the meaning of this sentence?
Myself,
My
My husband and my 2 children.
Husband, two and two children.
And 2 children. Okay, 2 children. Very good. Yes.
私の
Okay, next.
私の
私は6人家族です。父と母と兄と姉と弟と私がいます。
Yes, can you guess the meaning of this?
父と母と
父と母と
母と兄と姉と弟です。
姉と弟です。
弟です。
So how many people?
5
6人。
5 people.
6
7.
5 or 6?
6
Okay, listen again.
6人の6人です。
3、私は6人家族です。父と母と兄と姉と弟と私がいます。
私のいます。
私
So how many people?
6
6人です。
6.
6人です。
6 人. Okay, good. Next.
3、4、
私は5人家族です。私と妻と子供3人です。
3人です。
So how many children?
3
3
children.
Okay, good. Next.
5、
私の家族は2人です。
2人です。
2人です。
私と妻です。
私と妻です。
妻です。
2人です。
妻1人です。
1 or 2?
1
2人です。2
2 people, right? Watashi to? What did he say? Watashi to?
妻と
2人です。
妻と
Suma desu,
妻
right?
と
Watashi to suma desu.
妻です。
Suma means?
wife
wife
Wife. Yes, wife.
私
Okay,
と
last one.
5、
私の家族は2人です。私と妻で
Oh,
す。
sorry, it was the last only. Okay. Watashi to suma desu. All right. Any doubt?
ma'am, number 4 私の家族は
4 desu.
4人です。 Sanin.
Okay, now there is a conversation here. Not conversation, but somebody introducing or talking about family members. Okay, so let's read it. Who wants to read? Who would like to read?
Watashi no kazoku wa 3 人 desu.
Okay, who is reading?
Sensei Shivani desu.
Shibani-san. Okay, Shibani-san, please read.
Watashi no kazoku wa 3 人 desu. Chichi to haha to watashi desu.
All right. Can you explain the meaning, Shibani-san?
Yes, watashi no kazoku wa means we are 3 family members. Chichi to means my mother, father, and me, myself.
Yes, mother, father, and myself. Very good. Okay. Okay, like this, Minasan, can you write about your family members or can you speak about your family members like this?
Yes, I
Yes,
can.
ma'am. I can.
Yes.
Watashi no kazoku wa 2 人 desu.
Watashi no kazoku wa 3 人 desu.
Okay, take 2, 3 minutes. Take 2, 3 minutes. Let everybody think. Okay. Okay, now please speak. Who will go first?
Ma'am, myself, Namika.
Yes, those are. Go ahead.
私の家族は4人です。私と夫と子供2人です。
Very good. Excellent. Okay, next.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Watashi no kazoku wa 3 人 desu.
Once again.
Watashi no kazoku wa 3 人 desu.
Yes.
Chichi to kodomo, what is it? Kodomo to watashi desu.
Okay. Chichi to kodomo to watashi desu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like one son, one child.
Okay, so you can say kodomo hitori.
Okay. Kodomo hitori.
Hitori.
Chichi to kodomo hitori to watashi desu.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, next person.
Ma'am, I can do it.
Yes, go ahead.
私の家族は5人です。おばさんと夫と母と妹と私です。
もう一度、Siddharth-san.
私の家族は5人です。おばさんと夫と母と妹と私です。
You said otto?
Oh, sorry. Chichi.
Okay, Obas. Okay, instead of Oba-san, you can say Sobo.
Sobo is also a grandmother.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Sobo to, then Chichi, right?
Sobo to chichi to haha to imoto to watashi desu.
Yeah, very good. Wonderful. Next person. Please try, everyone.
Okay, ma'am, I can repeat this.
Please tell your name.
Shivani desu.
Shivani-san. Yes. Those are.
私の家族は
家族は
2人です。私の子供1人です。1人です。
You want to say kodomo You have one child
I,
and yourself.
yeah, one child and myself. Yeah.
Okay, then you say kodomo hitori to watashi desu.
Kodomo to
Hitori?
hitori watashi desu.
No, no. Kodomo hitori. It means
Kodomo
one child or one kid.
Kodomo hitori.
Kodomo hitori to watashi
To
desu.
watashi desu.
Okay.
Please repeat.
Kodomo to hitori to watashi desu.
No, 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 no. Kodomo hitori to
Kodomo.
watashi desu.
Okay, kodomo hitori to watashi desu.
Exactly.
Okay.
So in English we say one child or one kid, but in Japanese they say kid first and then one after that, like the relationship
Okay,
first
kodomo
and
hitori
then
to.
the number.
Okay.
Okay, so one child means like kodomo hitori. If there are two, then kodomo futari. If three, then kodomo sanen. Like
Okay.
this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next person.
Say,
Yes.
watashi Ankita desu.
Hi.
Watashi no kazoku wa 3 人 desu.
Mm-hmm.
Haha to ane to watashi desu.
Haha to ane. Okay, you have an older sister.
Ane, hai.
Okay, good.
Haha to
All right.
ane to watashi desu.
Sorry?
Haha to ane to watashi desu.
Yes, excellent. Okay, next person.
I can try.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Watashi no kazoku wa 4 人 desu.
4人です。
4 人 desu. Chichi to haha to ani to watashi desu.
Very good. So you have an older brother.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I can try. Saurav desu.
Saurav-san, yes, please.
Watashi no kazoku wa 3 人 desu.
Hmm?
Chichi to
Hmm?
ane to
Hmm?
watashi desu.
Okay. You have an older sister.
Yeah, I have an older sister.
Yeah. All right, good. Yes, next person.
Ma'am, may I try?
Nilakshi-san?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Watashi no kazoku wa 2 人 desu. Otto to kodomo 2 人 to watashi desu.
But you said watashi no kazoku wa futari desu?
Watashi no kazoku wa
4
4 人 desu. 4 人 desu. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
You're four, right? Like
Yes,
four
yes,
family
4.
members.
4
Yeah.
family
So
members.
watashi no kazoku wa 4 人 desu.
4 人 desu.
Otto
Otto to komodo 2 人 to watashi desu.
kodomo futari.
Kodomo 2 人. To is required. Yes. To.
You have two children or one
2
child?
children.
Or two children, right?
Yes.
So kodomo futari. Futari means two.
Yes. Kodomo 2 人.
Kodomo futari to
Watashi desu.
watashi desu. Okay. All right. Next person.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah.
So you mentioned Hitori and Futari are
Hmm.
1 children and 2 children, right? So Hitori
No,
means
it means
1.
one or two, not children.
Oh,
Hitori means one person. Futari means two
this is
persons.
exclusive for persons, number of persons, Hitori or Futari.
Yes.
It
For
doesn't
example,
relate to
how
Ichi
many
or Ni. It
ichi ni
doesn't
are numbers?
numbers only. Number 1, 2. But this
Yes.
is exclusive
For
for
people, for
persons.
counting people. So if there
Okay.
is only one person, then you say Hitori des. For example, in our class, if there is only one person, okay, only Joheb is there. So Hitori des. So if two people are there, then futari this. Then
Okay.
3 sanmen, yonen, gonen, rokunen, so on.
Is there any other way to say this, like ni persons, kind of like that?
No,
No.
no,
Okay. Okay.
no.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, how do we say to our grandparents?
Sorry?
Grandparents, like,
Okay, so I'll just write in the chat box. Okay, so sofu is the word for sofu, grandfather.
Ma'am, hitori and futari, they can be used even in the context of other people, right? Besides the family life, isn't it?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
And the chichi and haha is more formal, or is it like informal as well, like calling them, like if we need to call our parents?
So the way for addressing your like father or mother is little different. Okay, chichi
Okay.
means father and haha means mother, but when you address them, you don't say chichi, haha.
Okay.
So the words are different. So when you address them, you say oto-san, oka-san.
Oto-san.
Oto-san for mother. Okay, I'll write again in the chat box. So oto-san for father and oka-san for mother.
And the san relates to the thing that we say in respect. Is that the same san
So we
or
can't
something?
split these words actually.
Okay. Oto-san.
Okay. So oto-san is one word. Oka-san is one word.
You can't say Suma's son, right? That's wrong.
No. No.
Because wife is Suma, so I thought because Otto is husband, so Otto's son, but Suma son you
No,
cannot.
but Otto and Otto sounds are different. Okay. So in
Otto and
Otto,
Otto.
there are two T's, no double T.
Okay.
O double T O. Otto. Pronunciation is different. Okay. That's Otto. Husband Otto. But father Otto-san.
Okay. Very complicated language, ma'am. Extremely complicated. I mean, there's no logic, like you cannot connect.
Ma'am, can I ask one question?
Yes.
Ma'am, if there is difference between if a husband's father and mother and my father and mother, that is different terms or same? Oto-san, Oka-san, like this, same.
More complicated.
Please, enough of complications.
Just
No,
ask
actually,
simply that
no.
is came to my mind.
You can address them. You can address your father-in-law as Otto-san and mother-in-law as Oka-san. But then there are words like if you want to say like I have a mother-in-law or I have a father-in-law. So different words are there. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to know? I can write in the chat box.
No need, ma'am, but just that question came to my mind, so I ask you.
No, it's
It's not
actually
difficult
good, you know,
actually.
because
Okay, for in-law, just say Giri no haha for your
Mother-in-law.
just yeah. So for your mother-in-law, and similarly for father-in-law, so
Giri no
Giri
chichi.
no chichi. Exactly, it's not that difficult. So for father-in-law, and similarly, if you want to say like how to say sister-in-law, brother-in-law, so just
Giri no.
just
Giri no
yeah,
ani.
use girino as prefix. Girino ane, girino imoto, girino ototo, girino.
So basically, ma'am, in-laws means giri.
Sorry?
Basically, in-laws means giri.
Giri no.
Girino, yeah.
Giri no. Yeah.
You can remember like that.
Yeah. In-laws mean giri no. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So not that complicated.
Yes. Hi.
Easiest one.
Yeah.
Not easy, but sometimes different thoughts came to our mind, so it is good to know about
No,
all this.
actually, these things also reflect the culture also.
Okay, and also the way you address your own family members and the way you address somebody else's family members is also different. Okay, so you can see page number 40. So it's given on page number. Okay, so those who don't have books can see
Page number.
page.
Oh,
Chichi, haha,
okay.
watashi, ani, ana, ototo, imoto, sanjo, sanshai, sanjo, nishai, nijo, rashai, nijo, nishai, nijo,
Sanju,
rashai, marisha,
Kumoi,
otto-san,
Okusan,
oka-san. Oh,
Okusan.
Okay, so this is Mari's family. Mari no Kazoku. So Mari is the person in the center. Okay, wearing red. So Mari's son. Then the left hand side of Mari's son. What's written?
Ona,
Ane.
One-san.
One-san.
One-san, exactly. So
One-san.
One-san. For example, Joheb-san no One-san. Or Joheb-san no Oni-san. It means Joheb-san's older sister and Joheb-san's older brother.
Yeah.
Okay, so Joheb will say Watashi no ane, Watashi no ani. But we'll address them as Joheb-san no One-san, Joheb-san no Oni-san.
As a third person.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, in the right hand side, Oto-san and Imoto-san is written. Okay. So Oto-san means somebody else's
Younger sister.
Younger brother.
younger brother, and Imoto-san somebody else's younger sister.
And brother. Imoto.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
that 28, 22, 17, these are the numbers of their age or what?
age.
Yes.
Okay. So Sai is the suffix or the counter for age. So Niju Nisai, it means like 22 years old. Okay. And Junana Sai, 17 years old.
Okay. Sanju Sai, Sanju Nisai. Sanju Sansai.
Okay, for similarly like Otto, somebody else's husband, Goshujin. Goshujin. And somebody else's wife,
Okusan.
Okusan. And somebody else's children,
Kodomo.
Kodomo. Okusan. Okusan. And Kodomo.
Okusan.
Just Oko-san or Kodomo Oko-san?
Ma'am, it is both.
Okusan. It's written here.
Okusan.
Okusan.
Oko-san, right? Okay. Yeah.
Okusan.
Just Oko-san.
Kosan.
Okay, so we know like how to say 1, 2, 3 in Japanese, like up to 10 we have done, right?
Yes.
So number 10 is
Ju.
Ju. Right? Number 10 is
Ju.
Okay. Now let's learn how to say numbers.
Ju. Ichi.
Ju.
11.
Ju. Chichi. Is it 11?
11.
Number 11 is Ju.
11.
So 11 onwards is very easy, actually.
Ju Chichi. Juni.
Juichi.
Okay, so
Juichi.
11 is 10 plus 1. Okay, you please listen to me first. So 11 is 10 plus 1, right? Okay, so
Yes.
for 10, the word is Ju, and for 1, Ichi. So number 11, Ju Ichi. Similarly, number 12, Ju
Juni.
Juni.
Juni. Okay, then number 13,
Jusan.
Jusani.
Jusan. Then 14,
Juyeon.
Juyeon.
Juyeon. Yes. 15,
Jugo.
Jugo.
Jugo. Yes. 16,
Jurugo.
Jurugo.
Roku.
Juroku. Yes.
Roku.
Next, number 17,
Junana.
Nana.
Junana.
Nana.
Junana. Yes. 18,
Juhachi.
Juhachi.
Juhachi. Then 19,
Juku.
Jukyu.
Yuju.
Q. Okay, and then 20,
Juju.
Juju.
no.
Niju.
Okay, so 20 is 2 into 10. Okay, the formula for like 20 is 2 into 10. So
Oh.
in Japanese, 2 is ni and 10 is ju. So niju.
Niju.
All right.
Okay.
Similarly for 30, 3 into 2.
Senju.
Senju.
Okay, for 40,
Yeonju.
Honju. 50,
Goju.
Goju.
Hoju. Yes, 60,
Rukoju.
Rokuju.
Rokuju. Okay, 70,
Nanaju.
Nanaju. Okay, 80,
Hachiju.
Hachiju. Okay, 90,
Kyuju.
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 Okay. And how to say 100?
Haku.
Haku.
Okay, it's written here on the slide. 100 Yaku.
Aku. What will be 22?
20.
Nijuni.
Okay, is that your age?
No.
Why do you want to know?
No, is it the same way it's we have been trying to write?
Niju,
We just keep adding, right?
25 Niju go, 35 Sanju go,
Yep.
and so on. Okay. All right. Any doubt, Minasan?
No, ma'am.
Yes, sensei.
So, ma'am, 101 would be ni haiku, is it? Oh, no.
101 would be 100 plus 1.
100 plus 1.
Haikuni.
So, haikuni.
Yakuni.
Yakuichi, right?
Yakuni.
Oh, Yakuichi.
Yakuni.
Oh,
No, that will be 102.
Yakuichi.
Yakuni is 102.
Yakuichi.
Yes. Yakuichi, Yakuni, Yakusan, Yakuyon, Yakugo, Yakuroku, Yakunana, Yakuhachi, Yakukyu, Yakuju. All right. So now it's time. Let's end our session. So, Jugyo warimasu.
Arigato, sensei.
Yes. Please review what we have covered today. Okay.
Okay.
Arigato sensei.
Arigato gozaimasu, sensei.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Hi, minasan. Sayonara.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Jamata.
Jamata.
Oyasumi nasai.
Oyasumi nasai.
Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai.
Oyasumi.
Oyasumi.